Hi guys, welcome to my channel Hearty Home Tales. I'm going to unbox my planner for the year 2021 from Old Giraffe and give you guys a flip through and a quick review of the planner and the freebies. This planner costed me around $13.99, but I think it's definitely worth it. I really like the small and cute cardboard packaging they used, and it looks perfect as a gifting option too. The box has a highlighter to mark the important dates and a paper cover that contains the freebies and the planner. There is a bookmark, a summary sheet of the planner, a postcard for our future selves which I think is really sweet, and printables that have some very thoughtful messages. These two sheets of stickers are my favorite freebies. I'm going to use all of them in my planner. The Old Giraffe website has around 5 different options for the cover, and I like this the best because of the checks and the pleasant color. The cover looks exactly as shown in the website and it has a soft texture too. Let me now give you a flip through of the most awaited 2021 planner. You can write your name and post a picture of yourself on the first page. The second page contains a theme which is emotions for this year. Then there are two sheets of stickers which are pretty much similar to the ones that we got as freebies. So I'm a bit disappointed here as I expected them to be different. You can use these stickers and define yourself in the next page. Then there are some more stickers to define the focus of the month. I think it's pretty cool and I will definitely use them to set the tone for the month. Next is a year at a glance for 2021 and 22. You can highlight the important occasions and plan the year in advance. You can mention the special events of every month in the next page. Then comes the list of holidays and some fun days you would like to remember. There is this really cool chart to check whether you're an adult or not, and I for sure know what the answer is going to be. Next is a habit tracker where you can track up to 5 habits for the year. There is a guide on how to make a to-do list, but I would have loved a mood tracker in place of this. I really like the monthly dividers and the colorful bookmarks they gave for each month. The monthly spread looks good and spacious enough to write important things. I will be using this page to write gratitude as there is no separate place in the planner. Next is the goals for the month and the reflections, where you can summarize the month in a perfect way. And finally comes the daily spread, and this looks the same for all the months. The November divider is my favorite one. There are a lot of notes pages at the end of the book to jot your thoughts. I'm going to use this pocket at the end of the book to keep the postcard. So that is my take on the 2021 planner by Old Giraffe. If you like this video, please do like, share and subscribe.